Did you know that you might be missing out on thousands of krona every year by not checking your Årsopgørelse? In this video, I will explain what is Årsopgørelse, how to read it, and how to make sure you're not losing money. What is Årsopgørelse? It's your final tax statement for the year. It shows how much you've earned, how much tax you've paid, whether you'll be getting money back from skat, and whether you'll be paying back money to skat. It happens every year on the month of March. Where can you check it? All you have to do is go on your browser, on your phone, or on your computer and light Task Cell. And then you will be directed to a queue. It's according to how many people are on the waiting list. When it's your turn, you have to log in with your MitID. And then you go where there's a link written, See Årsopgørelse. 3 possible outcomes. You're either getting money back, which is overskewing skat. You're either paying back money, which is the less skat, or you're balanced, which means you neither owe them or they don't owe you. And this happens if you change jobs or your income increases. That often causes the difference. Most common mistakes people make is not checking their Årsopgørelse at all, and forgetting the deductions that are needed when you're documenting. For example, the transport, which is befording, that affects how much you're either going to get or how much you're going to pay back. And this especially is on students and freelancers. It can either be transport deduction, interest expenses, for example, work-related expenses. Those are some of the most important deductions. Can you change it? Yes, you can. You can correct if you've listed the wrong information, and the deadline is usually May the 1st. These changes can either affect your refund or your debt. So even though skat has set it automatic, it's still your responsibility to check if all the information you've listed are correct. Refunds are typically paid out quickly. For example, in the year 2026, they've said that they'll be paying out on the 24th of April. That is their estimate of when the money will be paid out. And if you owe money, pay before the deadline to avoid interest. If you don't pay on time, then there will be interest to be paid back. Who should pay extra attention? It's the students with part-time jobs, freelancers, those who are self-employed, people who change jobs and their income keeps fluctuating, and expats, that is new residents in Denmark. If you're new in Denmark, it's important to know how to fill out your skat information. My final advice to everyone is check every year. Those small mistakes cost you money, and it only takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes to fill out the right information. So that's it for this video, and see you on the next video.